Show them how the Cruz show does it.
Welcome back, yo. We're here, Detail Garage,
What is
Chemical
up?
Guys, J. Cruz, the Cruz Show, Real 92.3, LA's new home for hip hop, iHeartRadio. I'm here with my guy Andy. This is the vibe. Andy, what's good?
Guys, today we are teaching J. Cruz on how to protect his beauty of a
Thank you,
Rav4,
man,
guys.
this thing was in bad shape.
Sure. I mean, it wasn't too
You
bad.
can be honest. You can be honest.
Okay, it was, J. Cruz. It was. It was pretty bad, man. But today we're going to go ahead and show them how to go ahead and use our HydroLine, guys. We already went ahead and prepped the vehicle. We went ahead and used the waterless wash, clay barred it with our OG clay bar, and then used our amazing wipeout to go ahead and wipe out any oils that were left behind on the actual vehicle, guys. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and start off using our HydroCharge. HydroCharge is a 1-year ceramic coating that not only is gonna go ahead and deliver those hydrophobic properties, but it also enhances the shine of your car, the color of your car, gives you anti-static properties that actually push away dust from being attracted to the vehicle. And then not only that, but it gives you that nice, easy form of washing the vehicle and then drying it at the end too as well.
Nice.
So it's real quick and easy to go ahead and apply. All you got to go ahead and use is a microfiber applicator.
Those can be about here?
Yes, sir. And they come in different colors. You always want to make sure you rip off the tags. The tags have to be on there just to show you what the product's actually made out of, right? So
but once you're ready to use it, just rip it off so it doesn't drag across your car.
Exactly.
Like that, right? Okay.
Tags cause scratches. You don't want that at all.
For sure.
So with that being said, all you're going to go ahead and simply do is open your actual bottle. And I usually like going ahead and having it on your stream option. So there's two different options. There's stream and then there's the spray option. All you're going to go ahead and do, 3 little lines onto the actual surface.
Yep.
And then from there, you're going to go ahead and start off by applying in straight lines. You always want to go ahead and do a crosshatch panel, covering 50% of what you went ahead and passed through before.
And why is that?
You want to go ahead and have an even spread. Whenever you do a ceramic coating, it's real quick and easy to go ahead and get high spots. High spots are pretty much areas that you leave the ceramic coating on there for too long, and it leaves kind of like a rainbow effect on there. That there.
And we don't want that.
You don't want that. You definitely don't want that.
It.
Right? Rainbows are nice, but you definitely don't want rainbows on your car.
Right.
It's real easy to go ahead and remove. All you got to do is polish it off. But like I said, if you don't have to go ahead and do that process, why add another step to your actual work, right? So once you go ahead and do that and the surface is nicely coated, you want to go ahead and let this, the actual HydroCharge, let this sit there for at least 30 seconds to a minute. Now, because of the fact that we are in an enclosed environment, you want to go ahead and let it sit there for a minute, just so it could bond correctly to the actual paint.
Okay.
Once you go ahead and actually...
so it's working right now?
It's working right now. It's doing its job, right?
Doing its job,
We really did our part by laying it onto the surface.
Right, and then it's got it from there. Okay. Yeah.
Right here, what it's doing, it's pretty much, it's curing. It's curing to bond correctly onto your actual paint.
Yeah.
Once it does that, a lot of people, they ask us, well, why is it that you're removing it with a microfiber towel after you go ahead and apply it? It's due to the fact that because you don't have to let it sit there and let it dry, right? The properties of the SiO2 is already embedding into the actual clear coat, into the actual paint, that's delivering that protection, that shine, right?
Okay.
And that's the cool thing about ceramic coatings. Ceramic coatings, you're getting pretty much best of both worlds. You're getting the ultimate shine and you're getting the ultimate protection.
Very dope. You know why I appreciate this, man? Because someone like me who doesn't necessarily understand how the products work, Andy and the team at Detail Garage, they walk you through the process. And he mentioned earlier, there are classes, you know, that you can take, and they educate you and they walk you through every step. They don't just use technical terms that they only know and then, you know, allow you to figure it out. It's actually very, it's very helpful the way they break it down.
100%, 100%. Yeah, we're here to help you guys out and pretty much get you guys into the right products that you need for your vehicle.
Yeah, man.
So it's been roughly around like 30 seconds to a minute. All we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna use a different towel. We're gonna use our workhorse towels. And the reason why I like using these towels, get a little bit more contact onto the actual surface to remove any of the oils or waxes, or in this case, ceramic coating.
Yes, sir.
So all you're gonna go ahead and do is just pretty much wipe off the surface.
You can see it, man.
Flip it around to a dry side, and you want to just make sure that you remove every single part of the actual leftover ceramic that you applied on there.
Sure.
Once you do so, you're good to go. and ready, right? Do you want to go ahead and try it out yourself?
I do.
There we
Let's
go.
do
That's
this.
what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So, remember what I said? You're going to go ahead and apply 3 little lines there.
3 lines, right? And this looks like fun to you, because it really is, right? Like learning all of this stuff, it's really fun. But this is you know, and they say this all the time, you know, with their classes, because they do have classes. You can start your own business really with Chemical Guys. They have everything you need. They have your back every step of the way, and they're gonna make your work look like, man, you've been doing this.
That's what we offer, those classes. I mean, we offer classes from even just your basic person that wants to just learn, right?
Oh, yeah.
How to just take care of their vehicle. So all the way from a 5-day master course that pretty much shows you the ins and outs, from marketing to how to detail to how to run your business. We're trying to help out people, right? We're trying to help people learn how to use their product and realize that, and vibe with it, and realize that, hey, you could make a business out of it and make it a successful business. And that's what we want. We want to make everybody that comes in and takes our 5-day master course to help them make their business successful.
But like every business, it takes hard work, you know what I mean? And you got to, like you got to put in the work, and then Chemical Guys will do the rest. I don't think it's ever looked this way, aside from like the first day I got the car.
Nice and protected, nice and clean, right? Nice and smooth, right? But it doesn't stop there, right?
Nice.
The more protection, the better.
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely,
So,
yeah.
with that being said, is that we're gonna go ahead and use HydroSlick. Now the difference on it, cool thing about this guy is that you're not only able to apply it on your paint, but you're able to apply it on your headlights, you're able to apply it on your windows, you're able to apply it on your rims, and then in your case, you don't have any chrome, but you're able to apply it on chrome or metal too as well, right?
Yeah.
So it gives you the same protection and hydrophobic properties that you would on the paint. You'll get it on all the other surfaces.
How is
too
that
as well.
possible for all the other surfaces?
It's a hyper wax, right? So it has the properties of a ceramic coating, SL2s, right? But it's applied like a wax. So it's easy to apply, easy to come off.
Okay.
But just a lot more durable than a wax itself.
For sure.
So it's real quick and easy to go ahead and apply. Same concept. We're gonna go ahead and use our microfiber applicators. And same thing, you always want to go ahead and remove your applicator, your tag, I mean, and then shake it on up, make sure all the properties are nicely mixed in within each other. You could tell, opposed to it being a spray, liquidy form, you got more of a gel form, right? All you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna have your applicator, you're gonna apply 6 little pea-sized dots.
Okay.
Once you go ahead and do that, all you're simply gonna go ahead and do is blotch onto your surface.
Yep.
Right? You don't wanna go ahead and just have the product in just one area. You wanna go ahead and spread it out evenly. I blotch it out first and then I spread.
Got it.
So once I spread, if you were able to tell from the HydroCharge compared to this one's a lot more thicker, right? It doesn't spread out like a liquid. Spreading out more of like kind of like a wax. If you've seen how a wax is applied,
Yeah.
right? You don't see too much of a haze on there. Remember, same properties, it's gonna deliver the same result, the protection for up to a year, but just in a different form, right?
Yeah,
so once you go ahead and apply it, you just wanna go ahead and let it sit there for those 30 seconds to a minute. Once you go ahead and do that, you're just gonna go ahead and wipe off again. Cool, man. So right here we got our HydroView, man.
Yep.
Have you ever used this product before?
I have not. Talk to me, man.
Sweet. HydroView is an amazing product, bro. It's a SL2 infused window cleaner. So you're not only cleaning the surface, but you're also protecting it at the same time. And the great thing about it is if you already went ahead and applied HydroSlick on there, guess what? You don't have to apply it so often. You're just gonna go ahead and recondition it with this guy here.
So it cleans it and protects it.
Cleans and protects, bro.
Money.
Real quick and easy. Now, what I love using to go ahead and clean up my windows are waffle weave towels.
Yeah.
And I have 2 of them for a reason. One is to go ahead and spray onto the actual surface of the towel, wipe down, and the other one is to go ahead and remove any of the leftover residue behind, right?
Yep.
So, real quick and easy, a lot of people have the tendency of spraying their window cleaner onto the actual surface,
what I would do.
right?
Yeah.
And that's perfectly fine, but what you don't want to do is you don't want to do too much of it, right? So, real quick and easy, couple little mists on there, 2 mists onto your actual spray, onto your actual towel itself. So, wiping. Now, the great thing about HydroView is not only that it's not going to leave any streaks behind, but everybody hates that little morning dew, right? That little morning moisture on the actual windows. That HydroView actually reduces that, and you don't have that morning moisture. So, just look at the difference already right off the bat. Nothing crazy. And mind you, here I've only used 1 towel, right? It's still kind of dirty.
Yeah.
The window itself,
but there's a clear
line itself, right? Real quick and easy, nothing crazy.
Yeah.
And mind you, just check out how that towel was.
Wow.
Right? Now, to get an even better result, before you actually use your HydroView on there, I usually always recommend cleaning, if it's as dirty as this, always clean it up with our streak free first to remove that heavy grime off of the windows. And then follow through using our HydroView to go ahead and get that, not only the cleaning agencies, but also that protection onto the actual surface itself. Here itself, I mean, you still have, if you feel it, it's smooth, but you have some contamination. Contamination could land on windows too as well. And you could do the clay bar treatment here too, get it nice and smooth, and then you apply your HydroSlick, your HydroView, and it lasts a lot longer.
Bro, that was amazing. I appreciate it, man.
No worries, man.
Thank you so much. And again, thank you for explaining it to me in a way that I would understand, for real, man. Because there's a lot of newbies out there, obviously, right? And, you know, I said this off camera. I'm going to say it right now. These are products that you didn't know your car desperately needed.
100%.
For real,
100%.
man.
And like I said, we already went ahead and applied our HydroCharge, our HydroSlick onto the windows, onto the headlights, onto the paint itself. And like I said, HydroSlick, HydroCharge, you could go ahead and if you're applying it on your paint itself, you could go ahead and use something like HydroSpeed to go ahead and recondition it, right? You don't have to apply those products more than once or more than twice a year, right? Something with HydroSpeed is gonna go ahead and recondition the properties, so you don't have to use it so frequently, right? Same thing with using our HydroSlick on your windows itself. Opposed to using that so frequently, you could go ahead and maintain it using HydroView. Real quick and easy, as you guys saw, nothing, no rocket science. And then to top it off, if you want to go ahead and use the proper soap to recondition the properties on throughout the whole vehicle itself, you want to go ahead and pair it up with HydroSuds and pair it up with our big mouth foam cannon or easily any of our foam cannons that we have on our chemicalguys website or even at a detail garage store.
So these are for the interior?
Correct, yes.
Talk to me on how to use those real quick.
So pretty much your HydroInterior is pretty much going to be for anything like your vinyl or any plastics on the interior. It's going to go ahead and deliver those anti-static properties that push away dust from being attracted to the vehicle. The inside, right? Everybody hates that. Everybody loves rolling with their car with the windows down, but hates that dust particles in the interior. That's going to help, and it's going to help prevent from UV rays too as well. How to use it? All you got to do is just simply go ahead and grab one of our workhorse towels. You never want to go and spray directly onto the surface. Anytime you're doing any type of detailing, you always want, and especially in interior, because overspray, right? You might spray it on a surface that you don't want to get onto. Spray it onto a towel, and all you're going to do is just wipe down the surface, cleans up the surface, but it also protects it from those UV rays, right?
I have kids. I have a 4-year-old and a 6-month-old. So they're constantly throwing stuff around.
I got the same
eating snacks back there as well. And it's all over the place, right? Spilling juice.
Yes. So with that being said, I got kids myself too as well, right? And you know, a little chaos in the back, but with the help of chemicalguys, I was able to go ahead and use HydroThread. Now HydroThread, it's real quick and easy to go ahead and use. You always want to go ahead and pair it up with something like one of our brushes. The reason why you want to go ahead and do that is you want to spray very generously onto the actual surface. Brush it in, let it sit there for 15 minutes, and then you're gonna spray another coat onto the actual surface, let it dry up, and you're ready to go.
Wow.
Real quick and easy, it's gonna protect it, especially for those spills, you know, the bottles, those juices, all those things, you're not gonna have to worry about that.
From like the crackers and all of that, right?
All those little things right there come in play. This is gonna protect it, and the great thing about it is I hate stains, right? This is going to prevent those stains.
Amazing.
So real quick and easy, prevent it, man. So real quick and easy to use. It's not rocket science, like I said. Anybody can do it. If I could do it,
if I could understand, Anybody can understand, I promise you. So all these products can be found at Detail Garage, any location, right?
100%.
There's a location near you, and on the website as well.
chemicalguys.com, guys. So if you liked any of our products that we showcased today, go ahead and let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
Go ahead and like our YouTube, share it, comment
Subscribe.
below, subscribe.
Turn on your notifications.
Much love.